Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 17. Today, we will explore window functions, powerful tools for advanced analytics. We will cover row number, rank, lead, and lag, which let us compare rows and analyze data trends. Window functions operate across sets of rows but don't collapse results like group by. They use the over clause to define how rows are partitioned and ordered. Row number assigns unique sequential numbers to rows based on the order you specify. For example, numbering employees by salary descending. Rank assigns ranks to rows with gaps for ties. If two employees share the same salary, they get the same rank and the next rank is skipped. Lead lets you access the next row's value. For example, you can compare employee salary with the next highest salary. Lag lets you access the previous row's value. For example, you can compare an employee's salary with the previous one. Let us practice. Number employees by salary, rank students by marks, show each order with the next order amount using lead, and show each order with the previous order amount using lag. In a sales database, row number can list the top 10 customers by revenue. Rank can rank regions by sales. Lead can compare this month's sales with the next month, and lag can compare with the previous month. Here are some mini challenges. Rank employees by salary, show students with marks and the next student's marks using lead, show students with marks and the previous student's marks using lag, and list the top 5 employees using row number. Your assignment: create employees, students, and sales tables. Write queries to rank employees by salary, show the top 3 students by marks, and compare monthly sales with the previous and next month. To summarize, window functions provide advanced analytics. Row number assigns sequential numbers. Rank handles ranking with ties. Lead access the next row. And lag access the previous row. Tomorrow, we will learn about views and reusable queries.